Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the table style or table color on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer or PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the table style on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. So it's simple. So you just need to click on the insert option on the top. First, I just going to insert a table here. So a table like this. Okay, so I just create a table here. Now you just need to click on the table tool on the top and just click on this arrow section for more. So here you can just choose the theme color like blue color, and here you have a different styles of table style, and also click on this and you can just change the yellow color or blue color or green color. You have a very different color. Click on this new table style. So here you can just, so this is here you can just click on this and you can see the strip size can be changed, and click OK. You can see the changes here, and also you can just change a lot of things here by using this option. This is how you just change the table style on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with just super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.